ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचित्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महायोगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। न्याय and Vaisheshika Mata is explained. Anishwara Sankhya and Seshwara Sankhya is also explained. Now Shaiva Matam Aha. Karika Vartika 42. Bindunadau Shakti Shivau शान्तातीतौ ततः परम् षट्त्रिंशत्तत्त्वमित्युक्तं शैवागमविशारदैः। बिन्दुनादौ शक्तिशिवौ शान्तातीतौ ततः परम् षट्त्रिंशत्तत्त्वमित्युक्तं शैवागमविशारदैः। After Anishwara Sankhya and Seshwara Sankhya, Pauranika Mata was also explained. So 24 tattvas of Sankhya plus 6 of Pauranika. So it became 30. Now he is adding 6 more, so it will become 36. Bindu and Nada. Bindu Nadau, 2 more. Shakti Shivau, 2 more. Shantatitau. Now this Bindu Nada, so this is from where Nada Bindu, Chinmaya Nada Bindu word has come from here, Nada Bindu. Bindu is Shiva, Sadashiva. And that is the Niyanta and Adhishthanam. So Bindu is for that. And Nada is Pranavaha, the representation of the entire creation. So Paramatma alone, Brahma alone, what we call Brahma, they call Sadashiva in Shaiva Siddhanta. That alone is the illuminator of all, and it is in the form of Pranava. So that's what is said in Upanishad, Om iti etad sarvam, Om iti idagam sarvam. Om is all this. Bhutam bhavat tasyopavyakyanam bhutam bhavat bhavishyaditi. Whatever was there in the past is Om. Whatever is now, Vartamana and Bhavishya, everything is Om. And yacha trikalatitam, what is beyond 3 periods of time, that is also Om. So everything is covered in that Nada, Pranava Nada. Shakti Shivau. Shakti is, they consider another Shakti. Maya is different, avidya is different. They are upadhis, but there is a niyamaka Shakti, and that Shakti because of which Brahma becomes Adhishthanam or Sadashiva becomes Adhishthanam. That they consider as Shakti. We will see that in Tika also. And Shiva. Shiva is the one in whom this Shakti stays, is Shiva. This is another. Shanta and Atita. Shanta Atitau. Tataha Param. Tataha Param means beyond those 30 of the Pauranika that we concluded, Trimshat Tattvani. Tataha Param. Further than that are these 6. Shanta means peaceful. And Atita, so Atita is like Ghora. So Shiva has 2 forms. One is Shanta Saumya, and another is when punishment or pralaya has to be brought. That is another. So all this put together, Shatrimshat Tattvam iti uktam. 36 tattvas are there. Iti uktam. Kaihi Shaivagama Visharadaihi uktam. Those who are the Visharadas, those who are the great knowers of Shaivagamas, they have said this. Shaivagama Visharadaihi uktam. Tika. Bindu Sarvadhishthanam Sadashivakyam Nirgunam Tattvam. By the word Bindu, Sarvadhishthanam Sadashivakyam Nirgunam Tattvam. Nadaha Tasyaiva Pranavatmana Sarvartha Sphorakattvena Abhivyaktam Swarupantaram. That alone in the form of Pranava. That Nada is Shiva in the form of Pranava, Sadashiva in the form of Pranava. Sarvartha Sphorakattvena. That which reveals the meaning of all Nama Rupas. Means it is the name for all Rupa, you can say. All Padarthas have Pranava as their Nama. So this is for all manifest things. Pranava is a common name. Like in Brahadaranyaka it is said, everybody, every human, animals, everyone has one name. You know what is the name for everybody? Aham. Aham. Everybody's name is Aham. So that's why whenever anybody asks, who are you? So he will say, Aham is so and so. Aham Devadattaha, Aham Chaitraha, Aham Rama, Aham Lata. Dog, cat also, they also want to express as Aham, I am. So they are Samanadhikaranya. So everybody's name is Aham only. But in Vyavahara there will be difficulty. Because everybody, you cannot address as Aham. So then every parent gives another name to their child. Shakti. So Swarupantaram is Nadaha. Shakti Maya Avidya Bhyam Anya. Shakti is different from Maya and Avidya. Because those two are upadhis which were already counted earlier. So you have to add something. Sarvadhisthana Samarthyam. This is the ability of Adhisthana and also Niyamaka Shakti. That because of which Niyamanam happens. Shivaha Shivakaha Shaktiman Ishwaraha Leela Vigrahadhari. Shiva is Shaktiman, Ishvara, and who takes Leela Vigraha. Leela Tandava Panditaha. The Nyaya Muktavali Mangalacharana Shloka. Nyaya Muktavali Mangalacharana Shloka is Chudamani Krita Vidur Valayi Krita Vasukihi Bhavo Bhavatu Bhavyaya Leela Tandava Panditaha. Nyaya Muktavali is you study after Tarka Sangraha for Nyaya. So there this is the Mangalacharanam. Chudamani Krita Vidhu, the one, Vidhu means moon, the one who has taken moon as his ornament on his head, like a crown. Valai Krita Vasuki, and who made like a garland of Vasuki. Bhavo Bhavatu Bhavyaya, Bhagavan, may he become auspicious for all. Bhavaha Bhavyaya Bhavatu. Kaha Bhavaha Leela Tandava Panditaha. The one who is Tandava Pandita, who is expert in Tandava Nritya, but he does it only as a Leela. Leela Tandava Pandita. Leela Vigrahadhari. Maya Manusha Vigraham. Goswami ji says for Bhagavan Ramchandra ji, Maya Manusha Vigraham. Shantatitau Tasyaiva Avastha Visheshau. Tasya Shivasya Avastha Visheshau. Shanta Avastha and Atita Avastha. Tathacha Shruti, and for that Shruti is there. Tasyaite Tanuvau Ghoranya Shivanya iti. Tanuvau. Tanuvau is a Vaidika prayoga. Tasya ete is straightforward, is Panini Vyakarana. Tanuvau. Tanuva Shabda comes in Rudram. So Tanuva, where does it come? No, Tanu, not Tanu, Tanuva. Tanuva Shantamaya Giricha Abhichakashihi Yamishum Girishanta Haste Vibharshastave. In that, so the first part is Tayanastanuva Girishanta Abhichakashihi. That Tanuva is there. So Tanuva Tanuvau. In this way they have declined. Tataha, so Shanta is one Rupa which is giver of moksha, and Ghora is another one which is Atita, both. So here sometimes they say this Ghora is moksha prada and it frightens the others also. Moksha prada is Atita. Ghora. Ghora Anya Shivanya. Tataha Purvokta Trimshat Tattvat Parama Eteshu Shat Parama Tataha Purvokta Trimshatvat Param Etaihi Shatrimshat Tattvam. Etaihi Visarga has become Shakara. Again, just like yesterday I explained, the Visarjaniyasya Saha and then Vikalpena. Shatrimshat Tattvam Shaivagama Visharadair Uktamiti Yojana. So this is how Shaivagama Visharada, they have done this kind of kalpana. Shaivagama Visharada Grahanena Asyaha Kalpanayaha Moolam Idam Suchyate. So whose kalpana is this? It is referred by Shaivagama Visharadahi. And in this way, you can add Vaishnavaha, Shaktaha, Ganapatyaha, Prajapatyaha, Prajapatyaha, Sauryaha, so many. But all are not discussed here. Instead, see what Acharya says now. Kim Bahuna Yais Tair तैर्थिकैः यैः विकल्पाः कृताः ते सर्वे एकस्यैव परब्रह्मणो मायाविलासाः न परमार्थाः इति बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुर इति अनेन उच्यते इति श्रौतं मतम् अनुसरति। यैः तैर्थिकैः, तैर्थिकैः मीन्स दार्शनिकैः। ईच इज ए तीर्थ. So Tairthikaihi means by all thinkers. That's why, you know, in Jain Matam, the one who is their guru, like final guru, Jivan Muktas, they call them Tirthankara. Those who have become Tirtha Swarupa. And in Srimad Bhagavatam, also it is given that they are Tirtha Swarupa. In Narad Bhakti Sutra also there is a sutra, Tirthi karoti tirthani, Sat Shastri karoti shastrani. So, in Srimad Bhagavatam there was one shloka on, in the first chapter it comes, that these, they are Tirtha Mahatmas. Because wherever they stay, it becomes holy place. Because there is satsang, and they, through their vision, they inspire people and follow Vaidika path for others to see, observe. Yaihi tairthikaihi ye vikalpaha kritaha. Those vikalpas that different darshanikas have shown, te sarve ekasya eva parabrahmano maya vilasaha. They all are maya vilasa of parabrahma, na paramarthaha. None of them are paramartha. Iti bijasya antah iva ankura iti anena uchyate. By this bijasyantarivānkura iti anena uchyate iti Shrautam matam anusarati. The Shrauta mata means now Vedanta, Shruti mata. Now Vedanta mata he gives Sarve vikalpaha praga san bijenkura ivatmani. Sarve vikalpaha praga san बीजेंकुर इवात्मनि. इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया रूप मायया ते विजृंभिताः. सर्वे विकल्पा प्रागासन् बीजेंकुर इवात्मनि. इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया रूप मायया ते विजृंभिताः. सर्वे विकल्पाः प्राग आसन. All vikalpas, whatever that they call, they all were already there. Like Ankura is already there in Bija. So they were avyakta. Now they become vyakta. Avyaktadini bhutani vyakta madhyani bharata avyakta nidhanani. Like that, sarve vikalpa. Prag asan. They all were there before. Asan, what is the form? As, bhui, lang lakar, pratham purush, बहुवचनम. आसीत, आस्ताम, आसन. Then how will it go further? Asit, astam, asan. Then आसीहि आस्तम आस्त आसाम आस्व आस्म लंग लकार is this way आसीहि आस्तम आस्त आसम आस्व आस्म. So they all were there and इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया रूप मायया ते सर्वे विजृंभिताः. By इच्छा ज्ञान इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति and क्रिया शक्ति रूप माया they all become vijrumbitaha, means they become manifest. टीका kriya is prayatna. So by kriya you have to understand prayatna. There is a distinction between kriya and prayatna. We will see that in tika. Ichhadibhihi nirupyate iti tatha. So by ichha jnana kriya they become manifest, means they are described through that. Otherwise they are indescribable, anirvachaniya. यथा कश्चित् कविः काव्यम इच्छया प्रमेयम कल्पयित्वा विचारयति. Some kavi, some poet, first he thinks of or he desires that I want to create a poetry, kavyam. Then kavyam ichchaya pramayam kalpayitva. So entire prameya comes to his mind first. Vicharayati. Then tatha. Then he thinks about it. In the same way, tatha ishwaropi tattad rishyadi. Tattad rishyadi. Tattad rishyadi means tattad rishi adi rupam asthaya tattad agama nirmanam karoti. He alone creates all those agamas. Shaiva agama, Shakta agama, Vaishnava agama. All these agamas are created by who? Ishvara alone. Bhagavan alone takes those forms and he gives these agamas. So that's why we don't have problem in accepting everybody as God. And not only that, he will say that also, but when we also create something, so like he alone took the form of Bhagavan Shiva and wrote all bhashyas. He alone became Panini Maharshi and wrote all sutras. He alone became all other acharyas also and wrote those respective tikas, tippanis, bhashyas. And he alone becomes student, shishya, and does studies also. Every rupa he can take. So this is such a nice bhava. This is how Bhagavad Bhakti can increase. That we see everybody as Bhagavan only. Externally you may not do anything like namaskar or puja etc. But internally we can do and not have any dvesha bhava. So Ishvara alone creates the whole thing, all the agama nirmana. Kinchit jnanat. So the first example, this kavi example is for ichha. Next example is for jnana. Kinchit jnanat yatha drashtam loke vede cha anusandhaya karoti. Yatha ved vyasadi rupena mahabharatadin granthan. Like for jnana purpose, yatha drashtam loke vede cha anusandhaya karoti. So he will do anusandhanam and then it is not out of ichha. See, for poet, ichha is pradhanam. For Veda Vyasadi, ichha is not pradhanam, but jnanam is pradhanam. Like any tika, bhashya, all of them, Ishvara alone is doing. Shankara alone is there. That's why he is prasad. Mahabharatadin granthan. Kinchit prayatnena api. And then third example is for kriya. Kriya is prayatna. Yatha maharajadi rupena mahanagar durgadi kalpayati. Saeva Ishvara. big creation, city has to be formed, fort has to be made, or roads, big roads, and then malls, shops, businesses, infrastructural projects, power plants, and this and that, all of them is like Maharaja. So who? Ishvara only, Bhagavan only does all this. So in this, effort is primary. Ichha and Jnanam are not pradhana. So somewhere Ichha is pradhana, somewhere Jnana is pradhana, somewhere Prayatna is pradhana. स एव ईश्वरः तथा मायया सहज शक्ति रूपया अनिर्वचनीयया ते पूर्वोक्ताः कल्पना प्रकाराः तेन ईश्वरेण विजृंभिताः प्रकटिता न परमार्था इत्यर्थः. And also Mayaya Sahaj Shakti Rupaya, by the Sahaj Shakti, Anirvachaniyaya te Purvoktaha, by the Anirvachaniya Sahaj Shakti of Maya. So Maya is Anirvachaniya, so Shakti also will be Anirvachaniya. ते पूर्वोक्ताः कल्पना प्रकाराः तेन ईश्वरेण विजृंभिताः प्रकटिता न परमार्था. दे ऑल आर कल्पना प्रकार, विजृंभित, प्रकट, manifest, but not paramartha. None of them are absolute. Why? He gives the reason now. यैहि यथा वर्णितं जगत् तत्वं तथैव चेत् परमार्थम तर्हि वादिनां विवादो न स्यात्. If Jagat Tattvam was as it is explained by these different Vadis, if it was Paramartham, means that's how if it was really, then there would not have been any Vivada. Because there is Vivada, that means it is not absolute. This is the Hetu given here. दृश्यते च सह, सह कहाँ? सीधी विवाद. हाँ, दृश्यते च विवादः, विवाद दृश्यते तस्मात् न परमार्थ. So in Mandukya second chapter, this is nicely explained, you know, that all are काल इति कालविदः, प्राण इति प्राणविदः, भूतानि इति ततद्विदः, all different वेदा इति वेदविदः, देवा इति देवविदः, and then पंचविंशत इत्येके, षड्विंशत इति चापरे, त्रिंशत, all different matas, different ideas, all of them are kalpana only. Paramartha is only one. Absolute reality is I, actually. Iti ataha na paramartha kalpana iti bhava. Therefore, none of these kalpanas are paramartha. Anumanam, vimatam, pragutpattehe neshwarat paramarthatah pruthaksat. Tato atyanta vivikta lakshanatvat. यदेवं तदेवं यथा बीजावस्थोंकुरः इति. विमतं, विमतं means where there is viruddha matam is called vimatam. So vivadadhyasitam, on there where there is debate, vivada, vivadadhyasitam jagat, that is jagat. प्राग उत्पत्तेः न ईश्वरात् परमार्थतः पृथक् सत्. उत्पत्तेः प्राग, बिफोर क्रिएशन, ईश्वरात् परमार्थतः पृथक् सत् न. इट वाज नॉट इंडिपेंडेंटली एग्जिस्टिंग एज रियलिटी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईश्वर. जगत बिफोर क्रिएशन was not existing independently, different from Ishvara as a real entity. सो ईश्वरात् परमार्थतः पृथक सत् न, उत्पत्तेः प्राक्. वाय? ततो अत्यंत अविविक्त लक्षणत्वात्. बिकॉज ईश्वर इज बिकॉज द जगत इज of the atyanta avivikta lakshana, then Ishvara. So, what is the hetu? फुल ततो अत्यंताविविक्त लक्षणत्वात्. ततः ईश्वरात् अत्यंत अविविक्त लक्षणत्वात्. दिस इज द हेतु. एंड साध्य इज उत्पत्तेः प्राक् ईश्वरात् परमार्थतः पृथक् सत् न. दिस इज साध्य. नाउ व्याप्ति यू हैव टू शो. सो ही गिव्स अन्वय व्याप्ति. व्हाट इज अन्वय व्याप्ति? यदेवं तदेवं. यदेवं तदेवं. व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति would be what? If yadevam tadevam is anvay vyapti, vyatireki vyapti would be yannaivam tannaivam. Now what is this yannaivam tannaivam? जो ये नहीं है वो नहीं है. This in Hindi they say. If it is not this, it is not that. Means yadevam tadevam means yad hetuman tad sadhyaman. That which has hetu, that will have sadhya. Hetu is dhuma. There with yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vanni. So yad dhumavan sa vanniman. This is yadevam tadevam. Yannaivam tannaivam would be यद साध्यवान न तद हेतुवान न. देर वेर देर इज, दिस इज व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति. देर वेर इज देर इज नो फायर, देर इज नो स्मोक. यत्र वन्य भाव तत्र धूमा भाव. विथ महाराज जी क्लासेस, in particular in Chitsukhi, you have to have these things like on the tip of your tongue all the time. Hetu, Siddhant, and big pratignya vakyas, big hetu will be there. Drashtanta is बीजावस्थांकुरः. बीज अवस्था and ankura. So ankura cannot stay independently of bija. In the same way, jagat cannot stay independent of Paramatma. So that's why the example is given. Bijasyantari vankuro jagadidat idam prang nirvikalpam. That is how the connection is given. So this is the reference. So there where there is hetu, there will be sadhya. So what is the hetu here? Hetu is tato atyanta avivikta lakshanatvam. Lakshanatvam will be the hetu. Tato atyanta avivikta lakshanatvam. And sadhya is, so that which is not having independent lakshana, it is having undistinguishable. Aviviktam means not distinguishable, undistinguishable characteristic. Then utpattehe prak Ishwarat paramartha pratak satna. Then it cannot be separately existing from Ishvara prior to creation. Like Bija Ankura example is given. So Jagat is also not independent. That's why Sadeva Somya idamagra asit ekameva advitiya. Now further, Ishwarat Jagatah पृथक्त्व अभावम उत्पत्तेः प्राक् अवस्थायाम उपपाद्य. See how nice connection from previous line to this line. ईश्वरात् जगतः पृथक्त्व अभावम. जगतः पृथक्त्व अभाव कस्मात् ईश्वरात् कदा उत्पत्तेः प्राक् बिफोर क्रिएशन जगत वाज नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईश्वर उत्पत्तेः प्राक् अवस्थायाम् उपपाद्य हैविंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड हैविंग एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट स्थिति अवस्थायामपि तद उपपादयति एंड इन स्थिति अवस्था आल्सो इट इज सेम दैट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया पूर्वा यस्मात् सर्वाः प्रवृत्तयः सर्वेपि जन्तवस्तस्मा दीश्वरा इति निश्चिताः इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया पूर्वा यस्मात् सर्वाः प्रवृत्तयः सर्वेपि जन्तवस्तस्मा दीश्वरा इति निश्चिताः इच्छा ज्ञान यस्मात् because सर्वाः प्रवृत्तयः all activities इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया पूर्वा एव all activities they will have इच्छा ज्ञान in kriya means prayatna they will have in the beginning then only sarvaha pravrittayah then only all activities will happen therefore tasmat सर्वेपि जन्तवः ईश्वराः इति निश्चिताः therefore what is the निश्चय all jantus are all beings are ईश्वर ईश्वर means you take it as brahma that way also you can take everything is brahman or you take ईश्वरा as the samashti maya upahita chaitanya and then the whole thing is nothing but that alone because that alone becomes Hiranyagarbha, then Virat, then every Srishti is from there. So nothing can be different from Ishvara. So this buddhi is what we should have. Yomam pashyati sarvatra. Sarvam cha mai pashyati. Tasyaham na pranashyami. Sacha me na pranashyati. So Bhagavan alone does all leelas. सर्वेपि जन्तवः this is upasana that I should means until it becomes my knowledge that I alone am everything I will have to think Ishvara is everything so Ishvara is everything will become upasana I alone am all it will be the jnanam I alone am all means if jnanam is not there and I just say I am all then it will be ahangrahopasana. When I know that I means Sakshi, Sakshi is not different from Brahma, Jagat is Mithya, then I can say Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma, Aham Brahma Asmi, Tasmad Aham Eva Idagam Sarvam. Idam Brahma Idam Kshatram, Ime Devaha, Ime Vedaha, Imani Lokani Idagam Sarvam, Yadayam Atma. In this way. Tika, Yasmat Sarvesham Sarvaha Pravruttayah. इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया पूर्वाः यस्मात् सिंस सर्वेषां सर्वाः प्रवृत्तयः इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया पूर्वाः for all pravrittis so kavi example was given Bhagavan Vedvyas ji's example was given Maharaja king's example was given everybody all pravritti and pashus also have the same thing first they will have ichha oh there is a fruit hanging then they will come closer, then they will see here, there, then they will do prayatna, all. So, janati, ichhati, yatate. This is how we say. Sarvaha pravite ichha jnana kriya purvaha tasmat sarvepi jantavaha all beings Ishvara eva nishchitaha. They all are Ishvara alone, Bhagavan alone. So, then everybody is doing everything, yes, Ishvara alone is doing everything. Yes, Ishvara alone is doing everything, but Ishvara is not the primary. You can think in this way. Otherwise, somebody will say, so Ishvara does bad things also. If I do good things, it is Ishvara doing, then if I do bad things, that also will become Ishvara only. So then everybody does their things based on their vasanas, but Ishvara is Ishvarastu Parjanyavat Drashtavya. Like it is raining right now, cats and dogs from last 24 hours. So Ishvara is like rain. You take example, neem tree, very bitter, sugar cane, very sweet, chili, spicy, lemon, sour, 4 of them. Same rainwater falls on all of them, but each one of them they get different juice, and you will have plants next to each other. We have sugar cane and guava next to each other, and lemon we don't have, chili and neem, both are next to each other. One will be spicy, another will be bitter. But same, Bhagavan is same for all. Then each one of them have their own quality they express. In this way you can understand. Or you say everything is Paramatma, bad thing also happens, then punishment also comes. That is also Paramatma only. So then there is no complaining. Ichha Jnana Prayatnanam. See now here, earlier Vakya is Ichha Jnana Kriya. Now suddenly what is the Vakya? Ichha Jnana Prayatnanam. Because in Jada Vastu, Kriya can be seen. For example, like lot of wind is there. So leaves they get blown away. So you say there is activity. So in Jada Vastu, Kriya can be seen. But Prayatna is not there. Prayatna is like dedicated effort. That will be there only in sentient entities. It's like Ichha and Jnanam also will be there in sentient entities alone. In sentient beings will not have. So that's why Ichha Jnana Prayatna. Prayatnanam Maya Shabalitad Ishvarakhyad Anyatra Achetaneshu Anupapatte hai. In Achetana Vastu, which is different from Maya Shabalita Ishvara. Maya Shabalita means Upadi. Maya Upahita Ishvara, from that in Achetana Vastu, different from that Ishvara in any Achetana Vastu, Ichha Jnana Prayatna is not there. So wherever there is Ichha Jnana Prayatna, it is Ishvara only. Para, this is clear. So this is how we should actually think. This is what Bhagavan said in Vibhuti Yoga at the end of 10th chapter. Yadyad vibhuti mat sattvam Shri Madurjita mevava tattadeva vagachatvam mama tejonsha sambhavam. Anywhere you see the prosperity, wealth, power, glamour, any strength, anything, any intelligence, brilliance, say this is my amsha only. So there you can do Vibhuti Upasana. That's why all these Vibhutis are listed. Bhagavan said in reverse, Srotanam Asmi Jannavi. Gangaji, he says, is me. Lion, he said, that is me. So, in every being, Paramatma can be seen. And in any, wherever, whatever is not listed in the Vibhuti Yoga, but if you see Vibhuti, say this is Paramatma alone. Para upadhi paramarsham swataschetana bhede praman abhavat sarvajantunam siddham ishwarad abhinnatvam. Para upadhi paramarsham antarena. Antarena means without that. Without the para upadhi paramarsha. Without thinking of the conditioning of Ishvara, this Maya conditioning, total conditioning, without that, Swatah Chetan Bhede, something which is having independent consciousness, independent existence, Satta Sphuranam, separate from Paramatma, in that there is no Pramanam. Pramana Abhavat. So there is no Pramanam for independent Chaitanya different from Paramatma. Sarva Jantunam Ishwarad Abhinnatvam Siddham. Therefore, all beings are not different from Ishvara. Ishwarad Abhinnatvam Siddham. Tathacha Tadgata Ichhadehe Mayamayatvat. And therefore, Tadgata Ichhadi, in that all those beings, Sarva Jantunam, Tadgata Ichhadehe Mayamayatvat, Tannimitasya Sarvasyapi Prapanchasya Yuktam Mayamayatvam iti bhava. So, the entire Prapancha, Sarvasya Prapanchasya, Mayamayatvam, Yuktam. Why? Because Tannimitta, from that alone, from Ishvara's Maya Shakti alone, everything has come. All of them will have the same Ichha Jnana Shakti. Everything will be Maya. So the whole creation will be Maya Mayam. So Maya Mayatvam will be there. Iti bhava. Further you see. So the main idea here is everything is Paramatma's Vibhuti. In this way we should realize. Nanu बीजांकुरयोः इव जगदीश्वरयोः यदि कार्यकारणता तदा वृक्षबीजव्यक्त्यानन्त्यवत् ईश्वरजगद्व्यक्त्यानन्त्यं भवेत् तच्चानिष्टम्. Bija and Ankura. From seed comes sprout. Then sprout becomes tree. Tree will have lot of branches, big growth, foliage, then leaves, from that flowers, then fruit, and in that fruit there will be seed, bija. So bijat ankura, ankurat bijam. In this way, if you say from bija there is ankura, so between Ishvara and Jagat you are saying karya karana. Ishvara is karana, Jagat is karyam. Jagad Ishvarayoho yadi karya karanata tada, then vriksha bija vyakti anantyatvat. There will be infinite seed sprout, seed sprout, seed sprout. This chain will be there, parampara. And vyakti means how many seeds are there? You say infinite. And how many sprouts will be there? Infinite. So then how many Jagat will be there? Infinite. And how many Ishwaras? Infinite. Ishwara Jagat Vyakti Anantyam Bhavet. You will have Ishwara and Jagat Vyakti. Vyakti means each member. Parampara is Anadi. But each member will be Sadi and there will be Anantyam. Many. Infinite in number. Tacha Anishtam. Why? Because Chaitanya is na jayate mriyate va vipaschit avikaryo yamuchyate iti shruti smriti virodhat. Therefore, tasmad ayam drashtanta anupapanna iti ashankam iti ashankam udbhavya yogi drashtantena pratyachaste bijat iti. So, seeing that this anishta apatti is there, anishtapatti, therefore, example is given of yogi to eliminate this anishtapatti, which we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।